Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn list method in Python. List method. Python provides method that operate on list. Well, let's talk about append method. Append method add a new element to the end of the list. For example, say a equal to a set of square brackets, which means a list. Inside it say a, b, and C. Okay, to add D inside the list, you can use add.append. Inside the parenthesis, you need to put the value, say D, then print. You will get A, B, C, D inside the list like this. As same for the integer 2. For example, say B equal to a set of square bracket. Inside it say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then b dot append, say 4 inside the parenthesis, then print b. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4 inside the list. Then extend method. The extend method takes a list as an argument and appends all the element. This method does not return any value but adds the content to the existing list. For example, say a equal to a set of square bracket, inside it 1, 2, 3, then one more a list, say b equal to square bracket, inside it say 4 comma 5 comma 6. To add this 456 into a, you can use a dot extend. Then inside the parenthesis you need to put the value b variable, then print a. You will get all the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as inside a value. Then insert method. The insert method insert an element or object into a list at the index position. This means does not return any values but insert the given element at the given index position. For example, say a equal to a set of square bracket, inside 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, to insert it you need to know the position, index position. For example, say a dot insert, inside it you need to put the index number. Say I want the indexing position 1, insert 2, which means after 1 put the value 2. Okay, the indexing is 1. The indexing starts from 0, so 1 is 0. Then the one number, when the index 1 comes in, put the value 2, insert the value 2. It will print wait, then print a, and it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look out, this 2 has been inserted. Then pop method. The pop method removes the element of the given index value. For example, say a equal to set of square bracket, inside it say 1 comma 1, then 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, then here you can see there are 2, 1, 1, right? To remove this, say a dot pop, you need to put the indexing value. Say the first value, the indexing value start from 0, so a dot pop 0 indexing value, then print a. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the list. Remove method. Remove method removes an element from the list. For example, say a equal to set of square bracket, inside say 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know the value, then you can type like this, a dot remove. I want to remove the 3 numbers. You can type 3 inside the parenthesis and print. You will see 1, 2, 4 in square in a list. Clear method. Clear method is removes all the element from the list. For example, say a equal to set of square bracket, inside it say 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, then say a dot clear. then print A, you will see an empty list. Then count method. The count method returns the number of times the object appears in the list. For example, say A equal to a set of square bracket. Inside it say A, comma P, comma P one more time, comma L, comma L, then say E. Then A dot count the P value. P like this, then print A, then you will see apple, and to count this say add inside another variable say B equal to like this, then B like this, then print, you will get two times. Here P return as two times, so it returns the two times. Then copy method returns a shallow copy of the list. For example, say A equal to 1, 2, 3, 54. Then say B equal to A dot copy. Like this, copy. Then print B. You will see 1, 2, 3, and 54. And this is the copy method. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.